RDC Analytics redefines e-discovery with content analytics, delivering a greater combination of speed, transparency, quality, and cost savings than ever before. By uniquely leveraging language to understand what documents are about, Content Analytics helps organizations first identify what clearly isn't relevant from any document collection, then exclude that information from further analysis. We help organizations narrow down results quickly and cost-effectively. And because our methods extend far beyond brute technical force and pattern matching, we instill greater confidence, boost quality, and minimize risk start to finish. Early on, RDC Analytics recognized the power of content analytics, and we assembled a team of experts that would master this breakthrough service. Our forensic linguists, mathematicians, librarians, and attorneys consult with clients in first establishing a logical framework for analysis. We then apply the right mix of technology for the problem, both proprietary and best-of-breed third-party, analyzing the language in large volumes of documents, interpreting what each document is about, and measuring its relevance to a matter. RDC Analytics consultants help clients with case assessment, 26F preparation, content filtering, review, investigations, and much more. What does it all add up to? Less time, cost, and risk, greater transparency and defensibility, enhanced quality and consistency, and smarter, more certain decision-making. Isn't it time you stop drowning in pools of irrelevant data? Redefine e-discovery by leveraging language to understand content with RDC Analytics.